world of new astronomy is bringing people further into space faster than ever before, using thrilling state-of-the-art technology. Meet the Unistellar eVscope 2, the world's newest, most powerful, and simple-to-operate digital telescope. With uncompromised optics and a stunning visual experience, tour a galaxy, nebula, star cluster, and supernova remnant in minutes. Novices and pros alike can discover the cosmos from the country or the city and relax under the stars as distant space objects are revealed in full color. The eVscope 2 eyepiece features pioneering optical technologies from the world leaders at Nikon, delivering the most stunning visual experience ever seen in a consumer telescope, resulting in better observing comfort and eye relief. The micro OLED display is designed to enhance contrast and deliver a perfect black image. Infinity focus ensures unparalleled deep space views and a truly immersive observation. Unistellar's autonomous field detection algorithm uses an internal map with tens of millions of star coordinates to accurately identify any object in the telescope's field of view. Point at objects in the night sky automatically, making it easier to find targets. Get information about what you're observing, like distance from the Earth, size, or age. The Unistellar app provides educational content and automates your observing experience. Our catalog recommends galaxies, nebulae, stars, and comets based on your location and time. Simple to use for novices and advanced features for pros. Save or browse a collection of images taken with your telescope, or live stream your device to share with friends. With a 7.7 megapixel resolution, the eVscope 2 has the highest resolution of any digital telescope, bringing an incredible amount of detail, definition, and zoomability. The field of view is wide enough to enjoy the largest deep sky objects, such as the Orion Nebula. Share your experience with up to 10 observers, or connect with a global community of 5,000 users from the Unistellar network. This state-of-the-art telescope is also a dynamic scientific tool, supported by professional astronomers at the world-renowned SETI Institute and other scientific institutions. Join new citizen science opportunities each week and detect asteroids, distant planets, supernovae, and more. Learn about light curves and data modeling. See your data put into action through charts, visuals, and 3D prints. Contribute to meaningful science. Join a completely new space adventure with the Unistellar eVscope 2
smartphone to help you navigate the night sky. Introducing StarSense Explorer by Celestron. It's fast, easy, and accurate. In minutes, you're ready to take a guided tour of the universe. First, dock your smartphone and launch the StarSense Explorer app. Unlike other astronomy apps, StarSense Explorer aligns precisely with your telescope and uses sky recognition technology to pinpoint its exact position in the night sky. Follow the simple instructions, and in seconds, the app generates a list of all the best objects currently visible in the night sky. Select an object from the list and follow the on-screen arrows to the desired object. As you move the telescope, StarSense Explorer recalibrates its position in real time. The bullseye turns green when your object is ready to view in the eyepiece. It's that simple. StarSense Explorer works anywhere in the world, no cell signal required. So whether you're in your backyard or a remote dark sky location, the universe is yours to explore.
400 years ago, the invention of the telescope opened a window on the deep space for all mankind. Since then, technological progress has allowed astronomers to discover other worlds. And nowadays, even the rest of us can easily access the distant reaches of the universe from its backyard.
And voila, it's done. Barely 2 minutes.
Now, just have to enjoy the sunset and wait for the dark. And now, this is where technology meets the magic.
We are living on a planet that travels through space at 30 kilometers per second and is rotating on itself. For this reason, trying to catch something that is light years away and is invisible to the naked eyes can be a real challenge. You have to deal with polar alignment, pointing, tracking, focusing. STELLINA is the first telescope of its kind that handles all those tasks for you and can be controlled with your smartphone or tablet. With zero skill, you can get in touch with distant galaxies in minutes. But there's more. It's also the first of its generation to integrate a high sensitivity sensor which sends right on your device an image in vibrant colors of what you're pointing at. STELLINA operates according to a technique used by experienced astrophotographers, consisting in taking several long exposures and stacking them to enhance the details, the sharpness and the clarity of the image. Proceeding this way usually requires a steep learning curve to master astrophotography and image processing software techniques. Yet, STELLINA does it automatically and in live. While STELLINA keeps collecting the light to get the best picture, you just have to get comfortable under the stars, enjoying the celestial show, looking out for shooting stars, and then imagine what could be the next destination of your space odyssey.
Introducing a smart automatic solar telescope. You have never experienced any solar observing like this. Just press one button and go. Here we're going to show you a quick setup. First, set up the tripod. Attach the pier head to the mount. Mount to the tripod. Turn on the power. Press and hold until the light is on. That's it. It takes less than a minute to align to the sun. Solar observing has never been so fast and simple. When the alignment is done, adjust the knob to observe a sharper image. The sun should be perfectly centered for you already. But for minor adjustment, use the 8-way slide switch. Switch to a more powerful eyepiece to take a closer look. SolarQuest is light and portable, and you can just take it anywhere with you. It requires almost no astronomical knowledge, so you can just enjoy the convenient observing with anyone.